Vibrillionaire Soul greetings, soul blessings, beautiful Vibrillionaire Soul family. This is your daily reminder to ground for life. Remember to connect with beautiful Mother Nature. To get naked and raw and close and intimate with Mother Nature, because when's the last time that you've grounded? This is from March 4th, 2021. My question to you is, when is the last time that you got bare with Mother Nature? When is the last time you've taken your shoes off? When is the last time that you've trusted Mother Nature? We are so bombarded. We are so bombarded with external information. Blessings, Deborah Hansen. Blessings, beautiful mirror. We're so bombarded with external information, yet we neglect the greatest investment. We're back. We had a little bit of a little signal deficiency, and I'm on Wi-Fi right in front of my house. So we already know what that is. Because this message is very, very important, because so many people are looking to invest outside of themselves, and while that's great, many refuse to invest in what's already blessed for us, in the sense of grounding for life, taking off your shoes, connecting with the abundance that you're already given, connecting with the abundance of water. How many of us don't hydrate ourselves? How many of us don't drink enough water? How many of us don't take enough breaths consciously to really appreciate what's already given us? But yet we expect and we want more. We want our lives to transform, but yet we're not willing to really internalize and appreciate and embody the abundance that is right here, right now. And I guarantee you, when you start appreciating the abundance that's already for you, your intuition is going to start to awaken. Your intelligence, the awareness that you are, is going to start to come to the surface, and you're going to start aligning with the people, places, circumstances, and events and conditions that are going to align with how you treat yourself, how you show up for yourself, how you love yourself. So many of us are looking outside of us, when really all we got to do is just let go and appreciate. And I'm not saying, become hippies and disconnect from everything, which is, I love and appreciate all beings. But I do want to share that we have so much abundance all around us, within us. There we go. We have so much abundance all around us, within us, that when we keep looking outside, we are manifesting more fear, more doubt, more confusion. Even if we don't realize that. Blessings, Daniel Bolin. Much love, beautiful brother, beautiful mirror. When you start trusting yourself, the greatest relationship is you. And when you start awakening and reawakening and kindling this relationship, your reality. Let me go inside, because I'm losing a lot of signal in here. I'm not sure why. So I'm going to go back in my office, and I'm going to continue this message, because it's so important. Mommy, can you open the door for me, please? Thank you, Mama. And can you close it, please? Thank you, Mama. So basically, I'm just going to finish with this. That there's so much bombardments of information outside of us right now that, I can just imagine before there was hardly anything. So you had little to choose from. But with the plethora to choose from, so many are so hesitant to make a decision, because they don't know how to really be sensitive to their intuition, instead of an egoic filler of what we think we need. But when you start, and I'm telling you this, whoever you're gonna find mentorship or coach, because that's the one thing that I want to advise is, find someone that can mirror the opportunity, the doorway for you to tune into you more. Not to tune to something outside of you, but for you to tune into something within you more. And that something is you, by the way. So when you start trusting yourself, and the little acts of trust, like appreciating the breath more, really focus out throughout the day, and just, oh my gosh, I'm just so thankful and grateful for this abundance of breath. Your water. I'm so thankful and grateful for this abundance of life in my water, because it is really giving you life. Not giving you, but it is. Anyways, the water is so important for the body. It is a foundation of all the organs, every muscle, every cell of your body. It needs hydration. So water is so important. And really appreciate that you're alive. appreciate that. I mean, the things that you can appreciate, start appreciating the little things, and you're going to start to awaken that intuition that's going to know what's good for it. But if you don't appreciate who and what you are, then you're only going to go for fillers instead of for confirmation, for affirmations of who you already are. You're not looking to complete yourself. You're not looking to find something that's going to fill that hole, because nothing is going to fill you from the outside. What's going to not fill you, but what's going to not even complete you. Oh my God. What's going to confirm the alignment that you are, the brilliance that you are, the divinity that you are, is when you come from the inside out. When you tune into and you invest in your inner to manifest and mirror what's already around you. Because everything that you seek is already around you, because it's manifesting and reflecting from within you. So this is your message for today's Grounding for Life. Really short and sweet. Just take the time to invest in you. And if you're thinking of investing in a coach, a mentor, if you're thinking of investing in a course, a workshop, if you're thinking of investing in, and I'll say it, going to a service on once a week on Sunday, really invest in you. And even your service on Sunday will transform, because it will mirror everything that you already have. So start really, this is an invitation. It's not a demand. It's not something you got to do. This is just an invitation. If you're sick and tired if you're sick and tired of thinking that you're sick and tired, of affirming that you're sick and tired, and life affirming that you're sick and tired, then are you willing to do something different? Are you willing to appreciate that the only thing that's sick and tired is the brain? Because the body is affirming, everything is affirming that it loves life, that it loves you, that it loves all. So, just a little reminder for today, really tune into you, invest in you, love you, and blessings, Daniel, blessings, Rebecca Grace Arce. So really take the time to invest in you, because you'll never go wrong by investing in you. And if you want to know more, of course, we're here to serve. The one quote I want to leave you is with this, and I am living example. I know so many people that are living examples. There's so much misinformation about being selfish. But I'm going to tell you, I'm one of the most selfish people in the world, because I'm so selfish that's why I show up, every other day on videos, on, different opportunities to serve, because that's why I'm so selfless, because my cup is over abundantly flowing. I am so abundant. I am so full of life that I just want to share. I just want to serve. So really take this as a mirror, that if you feel like being selfish is wrong, ask yourself, haven't you been selfish to this time, to this point? Because the more we're selfish, that we don't step into our greatness, that we don't step into, the clarity in the intuition and the love that we are, isn't that selfish? Because that's selfish that you're not receiving what's already yours, because you're being selfish thinking you already have everything. Are you willing to step into the unknown? Are you willing to say, I don't know what I don't know? Open up your mind, open up your heart, and really, truly, truly, truly step into the fulfillment that is now. Because you don't lack fulfillment. You don't lack, the abundance of the heart, because you are alive. So just marinate on that, meditate on that, and really, think about that. Are you willing to be open? Because life will open when you open and you surrender to it, when you surrender to yourself. Because it already is happening. You already are that. Blessings. Thank you. Blessings, everyone, and have a great, abundant day and life. Namaste.